Hey, how's it going? I hope it's going well. I'm gonna make a really quick dessert that's got a lot of protein in it. As you can see, it looks like pudding. It's got the same consistency. It tastes like chocolate, but it uses tofu, so it's got more protein. The protein comes from tofu. This package has 5 servings, and each serving has 10 grams of protein. You'll need a blender or something to mix it with. I'm going to open the tofu over the sink because it's preserved in water, and that will spill all over the countertop if I do it here. I'm using a NutriBullet, so I need to break up the tofu so it can all fit in here. Then you're going to need 1/3 cup of cocoa. And by cocoa, I mean cocoa powder, not hot chocolate mix. Then we're going to need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I almost have 1/4 cup. You could also use honey instead if that would be something you would have in your cupboard. I'm going to use honey to finish it off. And tofu really has no flavor on its own. It's going to absorb the flavor of whatever you put with it. One teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to eyeball it. And a pinch of salt. And then take it over to the blender and puree it. Mine was pretty thick. I had to fight with the blender a bit. So I added 1/2 cup of almond milk. But any type of milk would work. Same with the maple syrup or the honey. The recipe uses maple syrup because it's a vegan recipe. And they don't use honey because of the bees. But I use maple syrup and honey, so I say use whatever you can get your hands on. The chocolate flavor is pretty strong, and chocolate can be bitter. So I actually added a tablespoon of brown sugar as well. As you can see, it looks like pudding. It's got the same consistency. It tastes like chocolate, but it uses tofu, so it's got more protein. It's 5 servings with 10 grams of protein each. You could eat it by itself. You could put some pureed berries on top. You can eat it with yogurt. I'm probably going to have some with yogurt and berries. Or you could take a date. This is a medjool date, and put peanut butter on 1/2 and chocolate on the other, and put it together and make like a little sweet treat that way.